In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a footer on Wix Studio. We will go through the process from opening your site in the Wix Studio editor all the way to making sure your footer appears across your entire website. A footer is an important part of any site because it usually holds useful information like navigation links, contact details, social icons, copyright text, or quick access to key pages. Setting it up properly helps keep your site consistent and professional. To get started, sign into Wix and go to your Studio dashboard. From there, click Edit Site to open the Wix Studio workspace. This will take you into the editor where you can make layout and design changes to your website. Once you are inside, give the page a moment to fully load so you can clearly see the structure of your site. Next, you need to add a new section at the bottom of the page. Scroll all the way down until you reach the end of your current page content. You can click Add Section there. Or if you prefer, use the plus icon in the top left area of the screen to open the Add Element panel. Then choose Sections. Both methods lead to the same result, so use whichever feels more convenient while working in the editor. After that, go to the Footers category in the menu panel. Here, Wix Studio gives you a selection of pre-built footer templates, along with the option to start from a blank section if you want more control over the design. Browse through the available options and choose the one that best matches your site's style. Once you've made your choice, drag and drop that footer section to the very bottom of the page. Be careful to place it beneath all existing content so it functions as a true footer. Once the footer is added, the next step is to make it global. Right-click the new section, choose Set as Global Section, and then select Footer. This is a very important part of the process because it tells Wix Studio to use that same footer across all existing pages and any new pages you create later. That saves time and keeps your branding and navigation consistent throughout the site. After setting it as global, it's a good idea to quickly check a few pages in your site to confirm the footer is showing correctly everywhere. If everything looks good, your footer is now successfully added and applied across your Wix Studio website. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.